complete that dial. Please check the number and dial again. This is a recording. Please check the number and dial again. This is a recording.
That time when we call it love, but even the sun deal. I'm gonna address the elephant in the room because this is a very important thing to get past. For some reason, these fucking particular jeans, it looks like I pissed my pants. Straight up, like that's what it looks like. I'm looking, I was singing, I was having the time of my life. I was crazy, man. I like looked over here, I was like, oh shit, look like I pissed my pants. So I went backstage before the encore and I even dumped some water on my pants. It didn't stay though. So it still just looks like I pissed my pants. Just want you guys to know, audience to performer trust, I'd never not tell you if I peed my pants on stage. I think it would be amazing. However, sadly this is not reality. It's just a bunch of sweat that's accumulated in my crotchal region. But if I ever do pee my pants, you'll be the first to know. Until then, I'll just look fucking ridiculous. Just don't stare at my damp, weird crotch. James Valentine, everybody, you know him, right? Met him earlier. James was actually born in Austin, Texas. No. James was born in Lincoln, Nebraska. That's a totally untrue statement. But, our bass player, Mickey Madden, who's not currently on stage, he was born in Austin, Texas. That is the truth. So you have an actual guy from the actual place that we're playing, which is very rare in this one in Los Angeles. Where are the ladies at tonight? Ladies, this particular lady right here, she just got a free guitar from me. I just gave her a guitar and she's very happy. Now, I would say that she very probably maybe did pee a little bit in her pants, right? A little bit. So we are like on the same team. We both peed our pants. Hey! So if you're not on stage, you can hide that shit. I'm gonna stop saying the word pee. It's not cute. Anyway, ladies, it's dedicated to you, especially you, young lady, the recipient of the guitar. You the queen of only 18, she had some trouble with herself. She was always there to help her. She always belonged somewhere. I drove for miles and miles and wound up at your door. I've had you so many times, somehow I want more. And I don't mind spending every day out on the corner in the pouring rain for the girl with the broken smile. And ask her if she wants to stay. Tap on my window, knock on my door. I wanna make you beautiful. No, I tend to get so insecure. Doesn't matter anymore. It's not always rainbows and butterflies. It's compromise and moves us along. Yeah, my heart is full and my door's always open. Come in time you want. Out on the corner, the pouring rain for the girl with the broken smile. Ask her if she wants to stay a while. She will be loved. She will be loved. She will be loved. She will be loved. I know. Alone in your car, no other thing to make you who you are. I know that goodbye nothing at all. Back and baby, catch her every time. Tap on my window, knock on my door. Wanna make you feel beautiful. By the way, this is incredible. All the way back to the very, very back. Thank you guys for coming here. Let's turn the lights on, though. I want to see you guys. What's happening? I want to see your faces. Turn the lights on. Turn the lights on. Please. Lights on. Lights on. Turn the lights on! All right, now I want to divide this group into two big groups. Group A and Group B. Down the middle, all right? Group A. Group B? Group B? Group A! Group B, you just got served by Group A. Give me one more chance. Group A? That's awesome. Group A, here we go. We're gonna do a little singing. It's very easy. If you're a man and you don't think you can get up this high, it's okay. Just scream. Ready? She will be loved. Come on. She will be loved. She will be loved. She will be loved. That's all you need to do. When the time comes, by the way, stop waving the camera. You gotta focus on singing. You guys gotta sing. Don't get distracted by the lights. Repeat. I don't mind spending every day out on a corner in the pouring rain. Once again, I don't mind spending a little bit out on a corner. She will be loved, and she will be loved, and she will be loved, be loved, and she will be loved, and she will be loved, and she will be loved.